Welcome to Chapter 4, Checking on Model Adequacy. In this chapter, students will be able to 1. Check the model adequacy for linear regression model. 2. Perform Brown-Forsyth test. 3. Perform lack of fit test. 4. Use statistical software, namely SPSS, to run the model adequacy checking. Before we start, students must be able to understand the model adequacy. The residuals will be used to check for the model adequacy. Residuals are another name for the error terms. By using the formula to calculate the error terms, residuals are used to fit the model. Additionally, there are 4 assumptions need to be fulfilled prior analyzing the regression model. Even if the standard error, SE, is small, the model is significant and R-squared is high, the model cannot be used for making inferences as the assumptions are not fulfilled. Thus, the 4 assumptions includes 1. The relationship between the dependent and independent variable must be linear. The error variable must be normally distributed. 3. The error variance must be constant. 4. The error term are independent. First, for linearity, the assumption can be examined through scatter diagram of y versus x, y versus predicted x, or y versus fitted x. Based on the graph y versus x, since the data fit to the straight line, the linearity assumption is satisfied. Second, for the normality, the assumption can be examined through normal PP plot. Based on the graph normal PP plot of standardized residual, since the data fit to the 45-degree line, the normality assumption is satisfied. Third, the error variance must be constant. Based on the graph of residual y-axis versus predicted x-axis, since the residual plots are randomly scattered, thus the error variance is constant or homoscedasticity assumption is satisfied. Fourth, the assumption of independent error term can be examined by using the Durbin-Watson value. DW value must be between 1.5 and 2.5. Additionally, numerical methods replacing the graphical methods to test for the assumptions of error variance, constant, and linearity can be based on the Brown-Forsyth test and lack of fit test. The Brown-Forsyth test for constancy error variance is applicable to simple linear regression when the variance of error terms either increases or decreases with x. Based on the variability of residuals, the larger the error variance, the larger the variability of residuals. These are the procedure in conducting Brown-Forsyth test. These are the formulas and the example with the solutions. In addition, lack of fit test can be used when the observations repeated at one or more level of x. These are the formulas, and the example with the solutions are given as follows.